Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, hi, my name is Gigi. Welcome. So today's video I have decided to use the Nikkietutorials palette once again, because in the first video I did say I was going to reuse it because I was having a hard time with the concealer and the pigments, but that might just be user error because, like I said, I always say I'm not a professional. I just love makeup. And yeah, so please don't forget to subscribe, tap the notification button, give this video a big thumbs up, and if you want to know how I got this look right here, then please keep on watching. Starting with the Nikkietutorials palette, I'm going to be going in with the shade Mila and just applying this all over my crease. Abrázame toda la noche, no nos queda mucho tiempo más. No quiero perder lo que queda. Seguimos siempre la pasión y confiamos solo en el amor. Next shade I'm going into is called 5 AM, and basically with the shade I'm going to keep it pretty low on my lid and blend it up to the crease and also towards the inner corner. No quiero perder lo que queda. Y más allá. A través de la gran oscuridad hasta que me convierta en rayos. Y más allá. A través de la gran oscuridad. Using a fluffy brush, I'm going to blend out 5 AM and Mila together for a seamless blend. The next shade that I'm using is called All In, and I'm just going to be applying it on my lid with my finger. And then I'm also going to take another brush and blend that out into 5 AM. Today's lashes are by Velour, the Silk Lashes in the style Trust Me, Try It. I'm going back in with the First Aid Beauty Hello Fab Pores Be Gone Matte Primer and just applying this all over my face. For foundation, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Fit Me Foundation. I am in the shade 118, and I'm going to be patting that in with a Morphe Beauty Sponge. For concealer, I'm also going to be using the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade Light. Now, I'm not doing my concealer the regular Beauty Guru way. I'm actually only doing a little bit on the inner corner and the outer corner of my eye, and I feel like sometimes less is more and you don't need that much product to get good coverage. Now to set my under eye and the rest of my face, I'm going to be using the Beauty Bakerie translucent powder, and I'm going to be taking it on a brush and no baking today. Now to bronze up my face, I am going to be using the Hoola Benefit bronzer, and this is just to bring back the warmth to my face and add a little bit of dimension without contouring. I really don't contour too much these days. I just like giving myself a nice soft bronzy look. And today I'm going to use Nars Orgasm blush, and I love this blush because it's really soft and it's buildable, and for someone like me who has the too much gene and doesn't know when to stop, it's perfect. For highlight, I'm going to be using Colored Raine's No Flash Needed Focal Point Glow Lighters. And highlight is another prime example of my too much gene. I just don't know where to stop. I just don't know when to stop. Just keep going. lips today, I'm going to be using Hank & Henry Satin Matte Lipstick in the color Sext. Now, I received this in my September BoxyCharm, and ever since I've been obsessed with it. It's my favorite lipstick ever. It's so much fun to just open, to look at. The color is beautiful, and it just gives me so much serotonin, it's not even funny at this point. So to finish my eye look, I'm going into the shade 5 AM again, and I'm just going to apply it on my lower lash line. And then I'm going to take the color Mila and just use that to smoke it out and blend it out so it's not such a harsh line. Then finally for mascara, I'm going to be using the Tarte Big Ego mascara. So this is it, guys. This is the final look of today. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, turn on the notifications so you don't miss a video, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye, guys.